Hey, I'm Ideli Harrison, Senior Partner with CommunityBuild Ventures. At CommunityBuild Ventures, we're committed to developing powerful, impactful, racial equity-driven leaders and organizations serving Black communities. Today, we're here at the ASCD Empower19 conference at the Black Male Educators BMEsTalk Live Champions Needed Luncheon. We're excited that we have a large Chicago contingency in the room, along with Black male educators from across the country. Now, when I talk about Black male educators, it's important to know that it is pre-K through 12. It is aspiring educators. It's also higher education and community advocates. We have a number of different organizations in our community that are working to support Black male educators. Really excited about our partnership with ASCD to be able to create a space for Black male educators to gather collectively and really talk about issues of men's wellness and men's health. And so today with Champions Needed, we're going to really unpack what it means to be a Black male educator and to be a champion educator. Look at some of the roadblocks we often face collectively and individually on a daily basis as we champion our work moving forward. But then more importantly, talk about how do the roadblocks that we face, how they might impact our emotional and physical well-being, and what can we begin to do about it. It's doing my heart so well to see brothers who've connected with us on the BMEsTalk Twitter chat on Tuesday nights. I'm connecting with them here at the conference, and they're saying how much it's just blessed them to be a part of it. They're saying how much that's the professional development they look forward to, is they're able to have growth and connect to other brothers, because sometimes what happens is with Black male educators being less than 2% of the teaching population in public schools, we often find ourselves alone and isolated in our buildings, in our district offices, and we need digital spaces as well as in-person spaces to gather and make sure we edify each other and build each other up.
1, 2, 3.
Black male educators.